If you're a fan of Nothing smartphones, we've got some exciting news for you. The CEO of Nothing, Carl Pei, has officially confirmed that the company's next flagship smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3 Pro, will be launched in just a few days. This will be the third-generation phone from the brand. The Nothing Phone 3 Pro is set to come with Nothing's own AI-powered platform, making it a game-changer in the smartphone world. In today's video, we're diving deep into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this stunning smartphone. So, let's start. Features of Nothing Phone 3 Pro. Display. Let's talk about the display first. The Nothing Phone 3 Pro is expected to feature a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. But that's not all. Nothing is also bringing some exciting upgrades to its signature glyph interface, which has been a standout feature of their phones. Plus, you'll get an in-display fingerprint sensor for added convenience. Camera setup. Now, let's talk cameras. The Phone 3 Pro is expected to feature a triple camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary telephoto sensor with OIS support. Alongside that, you'll get two additional 50-megapixel sensors for ultra-wide and macro shots. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, ready to capture your best moments. Processor. Under the hood, Nothing Phone 3 Pro is shaping up to be a premium powerhouse. It's rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, built on a 4nm process, ensuring top-tier performance. On the software side, you'll get Nothing OS 3.1, based on the latest Android 15. Battery backup. When it comes to battery life, the Nothing Phone 3 Pro is rumored to pack a 4850 mAh battery, with support for 55-watt wired charging, 25-watt Qi wireless charging, and even 10-watt reverse wireless charging. So, you're covered no matter how you like to power up. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, the Nothing Phone 3 Pro is expected to launch in USA at a price of around $700. And as for the launch date, mark your calendars for July,